Welcome back to another video with Kids Art Lab. And today, what are we painting?
A Hanukkah Menorah.
A Hanukkah Menorah, yeah. What do we need to paint and draw a Hanukkah Menorah?
We need red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, purple, pink, black and white.
That's a lot of colors. This sounds exciting. All right, let's get to it.
Orange and yellow.
Orange and yellow. All right. So, first off, we're going to start right here in the middle, and we're going to make a little U shape.
Right in the middle?
Yep, right in the middle. Good. Now we're going to draw 4 more of these, one on each, 4 on this side and 4 on this side. So when you space these out, keep that in mind. They're going to be all about the same size, and there's going to be 4 and 4 for a total of 9. Well, eventually there'll be candles.
Yes.
Okay? So what we're going to do is, let's do this. We're going to do 1. Okay? And then I'm going to do it this way. 2. 3. 'Good. And then 4. And then I'll just go ahead and make my tops. Good. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Good. And 4. And then I'm just going to come back and okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make the actual holder. All right. So let's start with the middle one, and we're going to do a line that goes like this, straight across, and straight up. Okay? And then we're going to do another one that's going to go like this, and like that. Good. Okay? And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this one, and it's going to come back to there and start down a little bit. Okay? And this one here, that. Good. Okay? Now we're going to go out to the second one like this. And up. And same with this one. This comes back this way. And up. Okay, good. And then start with this one and come back parallel. When you get to the middle, it's going to come down a little bit. And same with this one over here. Okay? Same here. We're going to go back and then up. Good. And then back down. And then it's going to go down a little bit. And same here. So this one's going to go this way. And straight up. Good. And back down. All right, good. And then the last one, same thing. We're going to go all the way up. And this one over here. Nice. Okay, now we just got to finish them. So if we come back, you want to do this one? Okay.
Yes, do this.
All right, so we come back down. And then we're going to start down a little bit. Let's just hold it there for a second and let's finish this one. Nice. Okay, now we just need to make the holder or the base. So what we're going to do is we're going to come down here like this and then round it, the bottom. Good. And then what we'll do is we'll go like this and like this. And then it's going to be slightly rounded like that. Good. And then finally, we'll do like a little curvy part on the bottom. Yes, cool. So that completes the actual holder or the menorah. And then now what we're going to do is we're going to make the candles. So the first candle is this one here, and we're going to make this one first. And you're just going to make a rectangle. Good. And then the wick of the candle will be right there. And this is where you can have a little bit of fun. You can make your flame however you like, but I'm going to make it, it's going to kind of just look like this.
Green gel.
Nice. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to work right to left. So we're going to start this way. We're going to do another candle. They're about the same size. Good. And same thing, a little wick, and then you can make your flame whatever shape you want. Okay, and number two, right here. And we want them to kind of be the same height. Same size candle and the same height. Good. Okay, let me make my flame. Okay, now we're going to do third. Okay, fourth. This is looking really good. Okay, and then over to this side. Make sure you get them about the same height. Okay. And I'm on my last one. Coral, you're done with your last one? Looks great. Let me just finish mine up here. Okay, well, I think it's about time to fast forward and bring our menorah to life.
Yay!
Okay. We are back from fast forwarding, and I think our menorahs came out amazing.
Yeah.
What else do we have to do?
Our signature.
Yes. Well, we want to thank everybody for joining us for another painting with Kids Art Lab.
I hope you had fun painting your Hanukkah Menorah. We hope to see you next time.
Happy holidays. Bye-bye.